20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now to breathe. Breaths. Okay, let's tilt the chin up. And 1, 2. Now, see here. We got our AED. So, let's open it up. So, it opens like this. It says open here. And when I press this, da-da-da-da, it's open. And wow, see here. Let's plug.
Unit OK.
See when it makes a sound, we have
Plug
to
in pads.
See?
Insert connector firmly. Plug in pads. Insert connector firmly. Plug in pads. Adult pads. Remove clothes from the patient's chest. Place pad exactly as shown in the picture.
Like this one.
Press pads firmly to patient's bare chest.
Like this. Okay, now let's wait.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Hands up, hands down.
Shock advised.
Let's
Charging. Do not touch the patient.
loop. Hands up, hands down. Now let's wait.
Press the red flashing button now.
Now let's
Deliver
press it.
shock now.
1, 2, 3, go.
Shock
Press.
delivered. It is safe to touch the patient.
Don't take it off.
If needed, begin CPR.
1,